Hello everyone and welcome back to another video for the channel. So today we have the iPhone 11 Pro here. This is the space gray model with 512 gigabytes of storage. We also have the iPhone 11 Pro Max leather case. So we're going to do a classic unboxing today of these two products from Apple. Alright, so here we go. We're going to start unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max with 512 gigabytes of storage. And of course it has that really nice Apple product feeling when you take off the plastic. Alright, so here's the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Oh, look at that. Let's get a close-up on that. Alright, so this looks really nice. It looks like it has a matte finish. There's no plastic on the back side. They do have some plastic on the front, so we'll take that off now. Nice. Alright, so what comes in the box? We have the iPhone. It's really good quality. It feels very heavy. If I compare it to another phone, which you guys might know, the Razer phone, it's almost the same size as the Razer phone. It pretty much is the same size, just a little bit smaller because of the curved bezels. Let's see what else is in the box. So we have the classic Apple documentation, and of course the two Apple stickers in case you want to put them on your car. We have Apple's new charging brick. So this is kind of cool. We no longer have the USB Type A brick. This is the USB Type C fast charging brick from Apple right in the box. We have the classic headphones to lightning adapter. And here's the new special cord that Apple gives you. So it's a lightning to USB-C cord. So I'm going to be very interested in trying to see how this cord works compared to other Apple cords and to see if we actually get an improvements in charging and how fast it actually charges. Alright, now we're going to unbox the iPhone 11 Pro Max leather case. And we're going to see how it feels. Oh, it's really stuck in there. There we go. And of course, it's a very nice Apple designed case. And it does feel like leather. I don't know if it's genuine leather, but it does definitely feel like leather. And it has a nice soft felt insert so that it doesn't scratch your brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Alright everyone, moment of truth. I am taking the SIM card out of my Razer phone, which has been my daily driver for 6 months now. And it is going to go into the new 11 Pro Max. Alright, let's look at this. So if we look around the edges, it's made of that nice stainless steel finish. And it just feels really, really silky smooth in the hand. So there's our SIM card slot. So I'm just going to put the SIM tool in there. Pop it out. Being very gentle with it. Alright, so now I'm going to put my SIM card in, and then we'll get back to you when I start up the phone. Here's our first power on of the iPhone. So let's see how long it takes for our new iPhone to power on. So far, just a couple of thoughts on the case here. I have the Apple leather case, and it seems to fit fairly well, and it's actually really comfortable to hold in the hand. So it looks like my iPhone is ready to be set up. I'm going to set that up and I'll be right back. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this video if you liked it.